Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Arshiduri and my NIT is 2043019 and I'm from class 1A, Port and Shipping Management, Merchant Marine Polytechnic of Makassar. Today, I want to explain about what makes shipping so cheap among other kinds of transportation. The transportation industry for a very long time and has always been one of the most popular choices today. In 90% of all world trade is shipped. Why is that? If you want to get something from point A to point B, you got several transportation options. Planes are fast, trucks are precise, trains efficient, and ship do the best ASB, the cheapest. This graph shows how expensive it is to move cargo with different transportation options. As you can see, shipping is much cheaper than all the alternatives. That makes it clear why so many prefer shipping over other transportation options. But what makes shipping so cheap? There are many different reasons which make shipping so cheap. The first is scale of shipping operations. They can carry a big load with a relatively small crew. For example, AP Merck ship. It can carry 4,500 containers with a crew size of only 20 to 25 people. Because it carries so many containers, the cost of one shipment will be spread out over all the cargo, which makes them individually cheaper. The second reason is that they are energy efficient and have achieved choice of fuel. Most cargo ships use bunker oil, which is a very cheap fuel choice and only one step above the asphalt. When the ship has got enough the cruising speed, it takes very little energy to keep that speed. For the rest of the journey, it also travels in mostly straight lines, which shortens the distance of the trips. The third reason why shipping a strait doesn't have anything to do with the ships themselves, but rather with the huge ports and the water the ship travel on. Ships have no fixed assets such as roads and rails to maintain, which reduce the cost. Something you will notice at the port is that almost no people are there, but that they are still very efficient. It can be this efficient thanks to things such as containers. Having to only move one uniform metal box help the ports to work fast. This port minimize the time and ship they have to be stationary, which reduces the cost of each shipment. So the combination of shipping large quantities is being energy efficient and traveling over water makes ship the cheapest option for transporting goods across the world. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.